Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from collegetoday.com. Today I'm at SJ Institute of Physiotherapy, which is located in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Today we are having with Dr. Siddharth Joshi sir. He is a HOD in LJ Institute of Physiotherapy. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal collegetoday.com. Hello sir.
Namaste. I am Siddharth Joshi, head of the department LJ Institute of Physiotherapy. Welcome you all. It is really very good channel and we all use this channel and our students are also like this. So today I am so happy to give interview for our college dunya. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir. So sir, starting with the questionnaire session.
Yes.
My first question to you is that being the HOD of LJ Institute of Physiotherapy, what are your roles and responsibility toward the students?
See, as the HOD, I am like a bridge. Bridge means what are the problems to the student, what are the problems to the staff, what are the beneficial of our college for all the sequences and the like bridge. As for example, if student have any problem or student want an instrument or student want something new, then they will apply to me or they will discuss with me or we will do healthy discussion. And then if I agree and if I feel so, this will helpful to us for every role of it, then I will discuss with principals. So my work is like bridge. Any problem means if anything problem with, if any parents wants to contact me, okay, this student is very poor and we want to improve them. So what are the ideas? So as a bridge, I want to discuss my colleagues, my staff, and we plan that how we'll manage this particular student. For that, we make WhatsApp group. Means each class having a WhatsApp group in all staff. In that particular WhatsApp group, all students, all staff, and all parents are available. So for my motto, with all healthy discussion, with safety, with positivity, we want to grow the child in academic and in personality development also. Thank you.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir.
Yes.
So coming to the next question, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation with the students and fellow faculties?
First of all, I believe in transparency. Everything should be very transparent. Means in my college, if student wants to count their internal marks, they can count. For me, transparency is the best policy. So before starting the college, we explain everything. Explain in everything means first internal, if you cover this much marks, you will get this internal marks. Second internal, you will get this much marks. How we'll calculate the internal marks? How we will provide leaves? How will we continue and count the leaves, presence? Everything is in LJ is very clear and very transparent. So for me, transparency and safety with CCTV cameras. So this is the basic relationship between me and student. Plus, if they have any problem, they can contact in a sequence base. Means, if student of first year having a problem, then he or she will contact their class coordinator. Class coordinator will try to solve that particular problem with transparency. Then if he or she is not happy and unsatisfied, then only he can contact me. Then I will try to solve. And if I am not able to solve and I am not confident, or if he or she may feel that we still want something more, then they can contact principal sir or director sir also. So in LJ, transparency, safety, communication with parents, these are the basic and major problems.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question to you is that how do you try to bring in practical approach to our subject and make it industrial oriented?
Yes, this is very important question because in physiotherapy, everything is in practical. Means theory is important. I am not objecting. Theory is also, but for theory, that particular knowledge, how you will apply to that practical subject, because we are treating the patient subjective. They are human being, they are humankind. For that, our college provide extensive exposure with so many hospitals. We have attached and we have so many MOUs with our OPD, Sayog Hospital, LG Hospital Maninagar, GMERS Sola Hospital, and so many hospitals with multi-speciality hospitals. They have exposure from second year. Second year 2 days per week, third year 3 days per week, and final year 4 days per week. For that particular clinic also and particular hospital also, one staff provided by us and their own staff also there. After seeing that particular patient, we arrange case presentation in our department. So, when we have 50 patients, we have 50 students, each patient present one patient, then all students get benefited for 50 patients within just 1 week. So this is our protocol to getting exposure, very big and very good manner practical exposure.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what are the best practices offered by the institute to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
First of all, in our institute, our main aim is to grow each and every child. So for us, for each and every our staff, for each individual is different and personal. Not everyone is ranker. So for us, from rank 1 to rank 50, all are important for us. So that a particular student, we want to give some exercise. Exercise means homework. That they prefer and they perform that particular thing and getting a good achievement. Plus, we start interlearning method also. Means one student will teach another student in a revision base at home. This will come after online lectures. So I put a homework that okay, you have to catch one student and explain very nicely. So when you teach something, you know that particular topic very nicely. So this will give a very good results.
Very nicely explained, sir. So, sir, jumping to the last question, how do you strategize the curriculum and how often it get updated to make it befitted for the students?
This is very important question because so many Gujarati students are taking physiotherapy for exposure of foreign. They all want to go USA, Canada or UK because mostly seats for when I ask to first year. Every year I ask to first year, why you are taking admission in first year? So 90% students are telling me that I want to go abroad. I want to go USA, I want to go Canada. My cousin is in Canada, so I want to prefer to settle there. So physiotherapy is mostly based on student who ready to move. No doubt in India is also very good exposure and very good opportunities are there. But they prefer that, okay, we want to go USA. So we plan that particular curriculum details and syllabus, exposure, theory plus practical. We plan that particular area that they will cover India and USA, Canada, all foreign countries exposure. So for me, if student pass from LJ, whether it is Ahmedabad or America, he must be successful. So we will train that particular students for everywhere. Means in our country there is no practical examination for that particular stable base. Means one patient to one patient. But in Canada it is there. So we export on that also. So our main aim is our passing student, whether it is Ahmedabad or America, he or she must be successful. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about LG Institute of Physiotherapy. Thank you, sir, for being a part of college. Thank you.